Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today is something different. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. I planned on, I'm adding more shelving to my display area here, and I planned on videoing myself cutting these boards down and installing them and all that. But then, of course, I ordered the brackets, which were supposed to be here yesterday as of this video, and then I got a notification that they were being delayed and I wouldn't get them till today. And of course they showed up at 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening yesterday, and it's like, really? So I didn't have enough time to videotape that. But here's the deal: adding some shelving here, and then I've got to cut down, which I've already done, boards to fit here and replace all of these to make them longer. I'll gain another 2 feet, about 2 feet per shelf for these top 4 shelves. I was going to take you along for that ride, but we'll see what happens. Most importantly, I had to move the coat rack here, and that was a fun task. So I got that set up. Now we're going to, obviously, you recall this car from the last video. I'm going to fill this one up with the cars that are up on top there, just to make it easier. Then I'll take those, put them all over here, take probably the next row, put them over here, and then add new shelving in there. So that's where I'm at the moment, and I'll be back in a minute. So as a side note, folks, this is one of the kits that was built a while back. I did not build this one on the channel. This was many years ago, and I just wanted to share it with you. I was talking to my buddy Tim a couple days back, and he had picked up a bear skull that he had dipped to look kind of like a dragon. I'll insert a picture of that right now. And I thought, holy crap, that is so cool. And then it reminded me of this. So I wanted to show this to you guys. This was a 65 Pontiac Bonneville, and it's a curbside kit. The hood doesn't open. There's no engine in it. The bottom is very minimal detail. In fact, the chassis doesn't even come to the back of the vehicle there. You can see a big gap in there. That's funny. But it is what it is. And that's the design on it. I really liked it. This was done with back in the mid 90s, I'm gonna say mid 1990s. I had taken the kit out of the box and cleaned it all up, and then I took a bucket of water, placed it on the counter, and took random colors of spray paint, which apparently I had green, blue, or I'm sorry, green, yellow, and purple were the predominant colors here. And I just sprayed them on top of the water and let it sit for a while. And then I took just the body and dipped it topside down and swirled it around and pulled it out of the water right away. And this is the result. I was very pleased with it because it was different, kind of funky looking, but I liked it. I thought it was cool, and it was quick and easy. And of course the patterns are random, but it is what it is. It was my first attempt at doing it, so I figured, what the heck, it's kind of cool. So that's been around a while, and now I'm in the process of just picking them up. And so you gotta bear with me, folks. This is a new camera. I'm still trying to figure it out. What I was saying, I don't know if you caught it, but since the last time you seen this shelf, I added these kits on here, and I just showed you that one. Now I'm going to continue to take the ones off that top shelf and put them obviously over here. Alrighty guys, progress is coming along nicely. I've got a full-length shelf there. All the cars, cleared out the shelf that was here, and now start the process of moving everything up a level. And once I get that all completed, I'll be back. On this side here, Still has a few more and a couple of empty shelves left. So we'll have to fill those up this year. Alright. Alright guys, so that's the new shelving. It extends all the way to the wall there. Over to right here. That's basically 57.5 inches. And the only reason I chose that number was because this bottom board come out from the wall 57.5 inches, so I just went with it. This one's a bit wider, so I fit big trucks in that on there. So I have now a little corner space up there for 1, 2, 3 kits. Another spot here, and then this whole shelf, and the rest of this one, and then 2 full shelves down here, which are 6 feet long each. So we'll be good to go for the rest of this year here, hopefully. Alright, well, that's it. I thought I'd share that with you. Just a little something different, like I said. And as always, I want to thank you all so very much for stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll throw in some goodies in the middle of the video somewhere here if I can find something. Thank you all for stopping by. Have a great day, everybody. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.